STEM ninja. Join me in the Forbidden Forest. I must use my STEM skills to cross this treacherous stream. What can I do? I know! Build a bridge! But which type? There are 5 main types of bridge: beam, arch, cable stayed, truss, and suspension. The beam bridge is easy to build. It's also cheap, but it only stretches short distances and larger ships can't go underneath. The arch bridge is very strong, but it is expensive and hard to build. The cable stayed bridge is also very strong. It's cheap to make, however, it can't stretch over long distances. Truss bridges are another very strong design. You can build them anywhere, but they are expensive and difficult to get right. Finally, suspension bridges are great. They can span long distances and are cheap to make. However, they aren't as strong as other bridges. They even blow in the wind. Choose your design wisely. Please use recycled material. Test your bridge with a heavy object. Science is an adventure.